With A1 being this weekend, we're starting to get some of the factory confirmations. And that guy right there, Ryder DiFrancesco, after joining the Husqvarna squad this year after 2 years with the Gas team, with the money problems that the Perrier Mobility AG operation has had and the scale back, Gas is gone, so he's just on another different colored KTM at this point. But we're going to see how he goes. I mean, obviously, last year he got off to a good start, going 4-5 in the 2 opening rounds. And then, obviously, injury struck. If you missed, or if you don't remember this, during a training, testing, whatever you want to call it, session, he had a crash and suffered a fractured radial, a broken left rib, and internal abdominal damage, as I'm reading. So that kind of ended his season. But, I mean, obviously, injuries happen in this sport. A 4-5 is a pretty good showing for what was going on. And then if you remember, he came back in Pro Motocross, finished 10th in points, and well, that obviously didn't go very well with him either, getting landed on by Hayden Deegan and getting a concussion. But hopefully, knock on wood, he can be injury-free this year. I mean, obviously, he's a good talent. He's still young. Obviously, kind of bounced around between teams for a little while, but we're going to see how it goes. I mean, I'm excited for A1. You always want the factory squad guys. I mean, you want the gates be full in general. But you want all the factory guys because they should be the ones that are, racing for championships, podiums, wins, whatever you want to call it, top 10s, 5s. And that's who you want. You want all the guys out there, the fast guys, and we'll see how it goes. I mean, obviously, A1's a big thing. The sport's back after, a couple months of time off. And hopefully he does well. He stays healthy. Hopefully they all do well and stay healthy. Obviously that's not going to happen, but you can hope and knock on wood. But so I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Who's going to win the West? Who's going to win the 450? Who's going to win A1 in general? While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform lets you do because it does really help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.